Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Bernie Tries, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my content. So, for this video today, I will be recording my wash day. Now, you can't tell because, I'm wearing a wig and I'm wearing a hat, but I am in need of a wash day. It's been a long time coming, and I'm disgusted with myself on how long it's been. I'm not even gonna tell you. But I'm recording a wash day for you guys, and I'm gonna be using fenugreek seeds. And what I mean by that is that I will be washing my hair with shampoo that I made from fenugreek seeds. I'll be conditioning my hair with conditioner that I made from fenugreek seeds. And I will also be using Fenugreek Water, again, what I made from fenugreek seeds. And don't worry, I will be filming myself making each of these products for you guys to use for reference, and I'll also include the information in the description below for you guys as well. One thing that I do want to point out for you guys, if you don't know what fenugreek is a herb and a plant. It's usually used in Indian cuisines and Indian dishes. And fenugreek has many benefits, has health benefits, and it has benefits for your hair. But what I'm going to tell you about is the benefits for your hair. Now, if you look online, if you do some research, fenugreek promotes hair growth. And it also reduces hair fall. So because of that, it makes your hair stronger, and it also makes your hair thicker, and you can retain length so your hair will grow. So I decided to incorporate fenugreek into my wash day today, in my shampoo, in my conditioner, and in a fenugreek water to see what happens with my hair. And I plan on doing this for a good 6 months. I'm planning not to use heat in my hair for those 6 months as well, and also to provide you guys with updates on it. So today I'm giving you guys my initial reaction. 3 months from now, I plan on keep using it and give you guys another review and an update on what's going on, maybe give you a length check, something like that. And then 6 months later into it, I'll also do it. So guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, we are now at the tutorial part of our video. Now, for all 3 of the products, you're going to need these 3 main ingredients. You're going to need fenugreek seeds. Now, I found my fenugreek seeds from Amazon, but I also saw them online at Walmart. You're also going to need Castile soap. Make sure it is unscented. And last but not least, tea tree oil. Okay, first we're going to start with the fenugreek water. Now, as you can see, I have this large yellow bowl because I'm going to need a lot of fenugreek water. And I'm going to pour the seeds into the bowl. I'm just going to pour enough to cover the bottom surface. Next, I'm going to go ahead and fill the water up. I filled it all the way up to the yellow line of the bowl. And then here I am, I'm just giving you guys like a top view. And next, guys, I do not have a lid for this bowl. So instead, I'm going to use plastic wrap. Now, I probably wrapped this bowl with plastic wrap probably about 4 or 5, maybe 6 or 7 times. I just wanted to make sure that the bowl is secured and that the seeds can ferment properly. See, that's a lot of plastic wrap on that bowl. There I am, just making sure it's secured. And then guys, you can see me, I'm putting it away in a dark isolated area, and I'm gonna leave it there overnight. Okay guys, now we're going into the shampoo portion of the tutorial. So for the shampoo tutorial, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of the fenugreek seeds. And then we're going to follow it up with 1 cup of water. Now, for this part of the shampoo, turn on the heat to medium heat, and then I'm just gonna let it cook until it looks like the water reduces to maybe about a 1/4 cup, and then also until the water changes to a yellow tint because of the seeds. And there you go guys, you see that the water is turning yellow. And then guys, here as you can see, you see that the water is decreasing as well. It reduced a bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat off. So guys, you see here I have a strainer.
I'm using my wig cap to separate the seeds from the water, and it's just as effective as a normal strainer. I got this idea from YouTube, so do not judge me. And it did an extremely an excellent job of separating the seeds from the water. Check that out, guys. Look at that. And then all the seeds caught right in that wig cap. I highly recommend, well, not highly recommend, but I recommend this as a substitute for a strainer. And there you go, guys. You see the water without any seeds in there. All right, and then our next step is to add a half cup of Castile soap. And then we're gonna follow this up by a few drops, maybe 3 to 4 drops. I probably used about 10 of the tea tree oil. And then since I have the peppermint oil on hand, I'm gonna also use that as well. I already have that in my apartment. And then I have this oil as well, so I'm gonna keep that in there as well. So then we're gonna go ahead and stir this whole mixture together just to blend it all well together. And there's our shampoo, guys. There we go. Nice and easy. And now I'm just gonna pour the mixture into this small container. I got this from Dollar Tree, literally for $1. And then I'm gonna pour it in the other container since the other one is filled up. Again, from Dollar Tree for $1. Not expensive at all. And there we go, guys. That is our shampoo, and you can go ahead and refrigerate that. And then next, we're going on to our conditioner. So for the conditioner, we're gonna need 1/4 cup of seeds. And we're gonna follow that up with 2 cups of water. And next, we're gonna cook this on the stove on medium heat for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, we're just gonna turn the heat off. Then we're gonna let it cool for about an hour. And then after an hour is over, we're gonna go ahead and pour the mixture into the blender. And I'm gonna use this oil of choice, but you can use any kind of oil. We're gonna pour about a half cup of the oil, and then a few drops of the peppermint oil since I have that on hand, and then a few drops of the tea tree oil as well since I have that on hand. And when I mean a few, I mean like that can range from 10 to 15 drops. And then also, guys, I don't know if you noticed, but from my previous video, Eugeniakelcy's video, when I was mimicking her hair butter, I have bought some MSM powder and also moringa powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that into the blender as well since I already have that on hand. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of water because, you know, with the powder and everything else, that might make the mixture a little too thick, so I went ahead and added just a little bit of water just to make sure that it has the right consistency. Then, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this mixture all together. Okay, all done. Finished blending. Alright, guys, and I went ahead and poured the mixture into a container, and this is the finished product. Now, the color is green because, again, I did add moringa powder, but since you guys may or may not add the moringa powder, it might turn out a different color. And then, guys, these are all of our products. We have the conditioner, the shampoo, and the Fenugreek water. Spray my hair with the Fenugreek water. Detangle my hair first,
And then after I detangle, I'm following up with the mask. My plan is to detangle my hair, put the mask in, let it penetrate my hair for like a good 30 minutes to an hour, rinse it out, and then wash my hair, deep condition it again, and then there we are. All right. And now I'm about to put this cap on my head. Okay guys, I'm gonna keep this on my head for a good 40 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. I detangled my hair with the Tangle Teaser. Yeah guys, I used this brush here, the Tangle Teaser, to detangle my hair. Alright, see you guys in 40 minutes. Bye. Okay guys, it's been 40 minutes. I'm going to rinse this conditioner out of my hair. Once I finish rinsing it out, I'm gonna follow it up with the shampoo. And with the shampoo, I'm just gonna use the shampoo like any other kind of shampoo, wash my hair, lather it, rinse it out, and then I'm gonna follow it up with some apple cider vinegar mixed with water just to rinse my hair out. I got this shampoo recipe from a YouTuber and they said to follow it up with apple cider vinegar and water, so that's what I'm going to do just because they said to do that. I just don't, I don't want to mess up my hair if I don't follow it or something happens. But I'm going to follow it up with apple cider and water. Then after that, I'm going to rinse my hair out, apply the conditioner. So guys, after 40 minutes, I'm going to rinse this conditioner out. Once I rinse out the conditioner, I'm going to follow it up with some leave-in conditioner and then some oil. And then I'll come back to you guys and tell you my final thoughts, my results, and what I'm going to do going forward. So I'm back. I washed the conditioner out of my hair, and then I also put in a leave-in conditioner in my hair and also some oil. As you can see, I have a turban on my head right now. I bought this from Five and Below. It's a keratin infused turban towel and it helps with air drying. It says less blow drying time, but again, I'm not using heat on my hair for a long period of time, so I don't have to worry about that. But it also will dry my hair this way, so I'm excited to try that. And plus I get the extra oils in my hair. But a couple takeaways from this, guys. My hair feels nice. It feels clean. It feels fresh. It feels, I can definitely feel the products and I feel like they're doing some wonders with my hair right now, but we'll see what happens 6 months from now, 3 months from now when I give you guys the update. I'm really excited to see what happens. And like again with Fenugreek, they promote hair growth and it also reduces hair fall. So, it helps with hair retention. So I can't wait to see what will happen with me incorporating this into my wash days and seeing what happens. I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found the information I gave you in this video and me showing you the tutorials on how I made each of the products and me applying it in my hair. I hope you guys found that interesting. If you guys have not done already, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my content and to stay updated on my journey here with using the Fenugreek products and seeing what happens with my hair. Also guys, if you liked the video, please thumbs up and see you guys in the next video. Bye.